I'm Chef Adam Moore with True Aussie Beef and Lamb, and today we're in my kitchen cooking up a delicious Greek pastisio with Australian lamb. Pastisio is the ultimate comfort food. It's perfect for a cold night and putting your family in a food coma when you need it. We've got all of our ingredients set up in front of us, so let's get cooking. So first we're going to add our olive oil, onions, and garlic. We're going to cook these until they become translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so next we're going to add our Australian lamb. I love cooking with Australian lamb because it contains a ton of essential nutrients for a healthy diet. Nutrients like zinc, iron, omega-3, and B vitamins. We're going to just break this up a little bit and get it to brown. Next, we're going to add our cinnamon, salt, pepper, clove, and bay leaf. Then we're going to add our red wine. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes, and then we're going to reduce this heat to a simmer, and we're going to let this go for about 25 minutes. All right, so now that that's cooked for about 20 to 25 minutes, we're going to take out our bay leaf here, and then we're going to add in our pasta. It's already pre-cooked noodles. You can really substitute just about anything here. I'm using macaroni noodles. I'm just going to stir that all together, then we're going to cut off the heat. All right, so now that that's all mixed up, all we have to do is just simply add it into our oven-safe baking dish here, just like so. We're going to pack this down real nice and tight too. And then we're going to top it with our cheesy Béchamel sauce. Just pour right over the top just like that. Here, spread it real nice, just like so. And then lastly, we're going to finish with some of our breadcrumbs. We'll throw this in the oven at about 350 degrees until it's nice, golden, and bubbly, and that's done. And that's it. Super, super simple and easy recipes like this can be found on our website, trueaussiebeefandlamb.com.